Hey everyone, welcome to vlog number 1. Spend some time with us as we go through Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom today. Once we got to Animal Kingdom, we hit up the safari and ended up having to wait about 15 minutes for a rhino in the road, so that was kind of neat.
This was the available space. Thank you for touring Kilimanjaro. When it comes to safaris, we go wide.
The zebras are sparkling. So that is a little guy, the little baby mountain zebras over there. All flamboyant. Oh. Guys, look what's in the road. A rhino. What?
After that, it was lunchtime and we went over to the Yak and Yeti local food cafes, grabbed a quick bite to eat, and then made sure to stop by Joffrey's to get our pass holder drink for Animal Kingdom.
Headed to the buses now so we can go to Magic Kingdom.
Once at Magic Kingdom, we hit up Jungle Cruise and Pirates of the Caribbean in Adventureland. Over to Frontierland to go to Tom Sawyer Island one last time before it closes. Then we went over to Fantasyland, hit up a few rides, and before we got hungry again for dinner,
Under the sea.
and went over to Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe.
Fried chicken sandwich.
Okay. I got a grilled chicken sandwich.
Supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos.
And my stars, is there ever love?
Our evening wrapped up in Tomorrowland with the People Mover, Buzz Lightyear, and Carousel of Progress.
Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny People Mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak.
Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit. 9 or 9, take the time to see this show.
Before making our way over to Main Street to grab a snack for the ride home. Thanks for coming along with us on vlog number 1. There'll be lots more content like this coming soon to the channel, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Look out for more. See you next time.